Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools for maintaining your MSI CYBORG 15A13 VEK. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and clean its internal components. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you find it difficult, try to identify different points along the edges where the clips are located and work your way around. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to inspect the fans and heatsinks. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance issues. Using compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fans, ensuring you hold the fan blades in place to prevent them from spinning excessively. This will help maintain optimal airflow. Next, use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe down any surfaces that may have accumulated dust. Pay special attention to the area around the battery and connectors. Keeping these areas clean is essential for the longevity of your laptop. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help identify any underlying problems without any pressure to proceed with repairs. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully align the back panel and press down gently until it clicks back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring each one is tightened securely but not over-tightened, as this can strip the screws. Once you have reassembled your laptop, power it back on and check for any unusual sounds or performance issues. If everything seems fine, congratulations! You've successfully completed maintenance on your MSI CYBORG 15A13 VEK. Should you find that your laptop requires repairs, or if you simply prefer not to go through the hassle of maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a convenient option for those who want to avoid the trouble of calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repairs are made, ensuring transparency in the process. In conclusion, routine maintenance is key to the performance and lifespan of your MSI CYBORG 15A13 VEK laptop. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device runs smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.